Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today I'm becoming all philosophical. There are so many beautiful songs in our Indian movie industry that are based on different philosophies or different life lessons even, if you want. You know, the futility of desire, the futility of attachments. What would you think of as true spirituality? Is it abandonment of all of life's pleasures, or is it a measured partaking of all these different things that life offers you and then making a balanced kind of a judgment about it? So today I want to share some of my favorites. To begin with, probably one of my most treasured poets, Sahir Ludhianvi. The movie is Chitralekha. This movie was a Kidar Sharma movie. He made it twice. In the late 30s or early 40s, I think he came out with one version of it. And then in the early 60s. The one I'm talking about is the one that was released in the 1960s. The movie in itself was very unremarkable, in a way kind of strange. I don't know, it just had a great cast, Pradeep Kumar, Meena Kumari, Ashok Kumar, good supporting cast and so on. But somehow, I don't know, it just didn't come together very well. But the music, that was an entirely different thing. Sahir Ludhianvi with Roshan Saab's music. Sahir Ludhianvi has written absolutely exquisite songs for this movie. Pure Hindi, for all those who say he's only an Urdu poet, completely untrue. He could speak chaste Hindi. He could write incredibly beautiful poetry in chaste Hindi. This man was a supremely talented individual. So the first song that I want you to listen to, Rafi Saab's solo, Man re tu kahe na dheer dhare. It talks about basically the futility of holding on to things, you know, trying to control, trying to capture, trying to imprison either feelings or a particular individual or, happiness or anything. So there is a particular verse here that I would like you all to pay attention to. इस जीवन की चढ़ती ढलती धूप को किसने बांधा? The ups and downs or the happinesses that are available in this life. So I like the way he phrases it. इस जीवन की चढ़ती ढलती धूप. He refers to happiness or whatever moments of joy you get as धूप. तो किसने बांधा? Who could hold this permanently? Who could capture it permanently? Rang pe kisne pehre dale? Who was able to place boundaries on color in nature? You can't just define pink as being just this one particular shade, right? It's a spectrum. Roop ko kisne bandha? Again, who could capture beauty? Kahe ye jatan kare? Why are we even making this effort to do all of these things? From Chitralekha, in Rafi Saab's gorgeous voice, Man re tu kahe na dheer dhare.
Man re tu kahe na dheer dhare, ho nirmohi मोह न जाने जिनका मोह करे. मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे. इस जीवन की चढ़ती ढलती धूप को किसने जतन करे मन रे तू काहे ना धीर धरे.
The second song from the same movie, Chitralekha, this is a Lata Ji solo. And this is a taunt. Now, Ashok Kumar plays a sannyasi in the movie, so he is considering himself morally very superior. You know, he's dissing this courtesan, you know, calling her a woman of loose morals, that she is only a hedonist who is, you know, constantly in pursuit of pleasure, and what she does is unnecessary even in life. So this song she sings to him, and it is so beautifully said, the whole thing. It makes you wonder about what I was talking earlier. Is abandonment of everything without even having experienced it and completely denouncing, not just renouncing, but denouncing it, is that true spirituality? Or is experiencing everything and then deciding what is good and what is bad, is that true spirituality? So listen to this. संसार से भागे फिरते हो, भगवान को तुम क्या पाओगे? If you're running away from this life, this society, whatever is happening in life, how can you even hope to attain God? Okay? Because we are all, this whole thing is God's creation. इस लोग को भी अपना न सके, उस लोग में भी पछताओगे. If you cannot like accept this particular life here in this realm, even after you attain death, or you know, in the afterlife, so to speak, you will still be regretting your choices. And this is a very beautiful verse. ये भोग भी एक तपस्या है, तुम त्याग के मारे क्या जानो. Bhog, hedonism, enjoyment, lust, whatever, you can put all of these into that one particular word. So she is saying that that is in itself a penance. What do you people who have given up all of this without even trying it, what would you know? And she says, अपमान रचेता का होगा, रचना को अगर ठुकराओगे. Since even this pleasure and all of these things are actually have been created by the Racheta, God himself, by the creator, when you reject all of this, that means you're actually insulting him whose creation all of this is. Ah, what an amazing thought. Lata ji's solo from Chitralekha, संसार से भागे फिरते हो.
संसार से भागे फिरते हो, भगवान को तुम क्या पाओगे? इस लोक को भी अपना न सके, उस लोक में भी पछताओगे. संसार से भागे फिरते हो. ये पाप है क्या, ये पुण्य है क्या, रीतों पर धर्म की मोहरे हैं. ये पाप है क्या, ये पुण्य है क्या, रीतों पर धर्म की मोहरे हैं. रीतों पर धर्म की मोहरे हैं. हर युग में बदलते धर्मों को कैसे आदर्श बनाओगे? संसार से भागे फिरते हो.
हम दोनों, again another Sahir Saab movie. This was, of course, a Navketan production with Jaydev ji's music, Devanand, Sadhana, Nandaji in the lead. Devanand playing the double role of Captain Anand and Major Varma. This song is, there's another one too, Allah Tero Naam is also fabulously philosophical song, which is just exquisite. This is, I think, even more deep. Captain Anand sings this. When they are at war, it expresses the futility of war, the miseries that everyone sees and, feels also. But it's so much more than that. And you can feel this kind of desperation from these people where it's also sort of a statement on the futility of war and all these conflicts that we humans just bring upon ourselves. So, kabhi khud pe, kabhi halat pe rona aaya. Meaning, sometimes I'm crying for myself, sometimes I'm crying about the circumstance that I'm in. Baat nikli to har ek baat pe rona aaya. I basically, to tell you the truth, I am crying about everything. So, this verse, I just love this. Kaun rota hai kisi aur ke khatir ai dost? Who really cries for the plight of another person? Sabko apni hi kisi baat pe rona aaya. Everyone, even though it may appear that you are empathizing with someone and are actually crying for their plight, it's actually your own experience and something that you have gone through that is actually triggering your tears. So it's not so much another person's plight as much as your own experience that's making you cry. So from Hum Dono, kabhi khud pe, kabhi halat pe rona aaya.
कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया, कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया, बात निकली तो हर एक बात पे रोना आया, बात निकली तो हर एक बात पे रोना। हम तो समझे थे कि हम भूल गए हैं उनको, हम तो समझे थे कि हम भूल गए हैं उनको, क्या हुआ आज ये किस बात पे रोना आया, क्या हुआ आज ये किस बात पे रोना आया, कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना।
Kajal. This movie was based on Gulshan Nanda's novel called Madhavi. Meena Kumari and Rajkumar are paired in the movie, and Dharmendra and Padmini. But the movie is essentially Meena Kumari and Dharmendra. Dharmendra plays sort of a brother figure to Meena Kumari in the movie. They both really carry the movie, especially Meena Kumari. It's essentially her movie. The music for the movie was Ravi Shankar Sharma with Sahir Saab's lyrics. I'm sorry, I know it seems like I only have Sahir Saab on my brain today, but what can I say? He just encapsulates life so beautifully. So this particular song is an Asha Ji solo played during the title credits, and then after the title credits are done, it pans to Meena Kumari singing the song with Durga Khote listening to her. तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए. Your mind is basically the mirror to your soul. भले बुरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए. So whether good or bad, it sees everything and it shows you everything. So what is good and bad? And this verse for me, I find it very, very beautiful. सुख की कलियां, दुख की कांटे, मन सबका आधार. So the mind is, it's almost like a support for whether you're experiencing sadness or whether you're experiencing great happiness. मन से कोई बात छुपे ना, मन के नैन हजार. So the man, your mind cannot be misled. You can't hide anything from it because it has 1,000 eyes. जग से कोई भाग ले, मन से भाग न पाए. Anyone can run away from the world, but you cannot escape your mind. So from Kajal, in Asha ji's voice, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए.
तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए. भले बुरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए. तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए. मन ही देवता, मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई. मन ही देवता, मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई. मन उजियारा जब जब फैले, जग उजियारा होए. किस उजले दर्पण पर प्राणी, किस उजले दर्पण पर प्राणी, भूल न जमने पाए. तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए.
Guide. Navketan movie, absolutely brilliantly handled by Vijay Anand, based on the book by R.K. Narayan, The Guide, about extramarital relationships, and it's kind of cast them in a new light. Wahida Rahman Devanand in the lead, absolutely stellar. Music for this movie was S.D. Burman with, now we come to the other genius, Shailendra ji. All the songs, of course, are absolutely fantastic, but this particular one for me always touches me a lot more. You have Burman Dada singing this song, it's played during the title credits, and you're seeing this whole thing where Dev Anand has been released from jail. Initially, he's tempted to go back home, then he thinks about it and decides not to, and the song is playing in the back. It's basically reflecting everything that he's thinking. Now, when you hear it in S.D. Burman's voice, there is a certain rawness to it that really brings home the words and touches your soul. Wahan kaun hai tera musafir, tu jayega kahan? So this can be taken in both realms, right? On the earthly realm, you can say it's asking Dev Anand, why are you going back home? Honestly, who is there, left there for you? Or it could be on a much more spiritual level, what are you doing wasting your time in this realm, on this earth? Start thinking about that. other realm. So, this particular verse for me is, again, awesome. Actually, there are more verses. There are some that have not been included in the movie as the title credits have played. That's another whole story. But this particular verse for me, कहते हैं ज्ञानी, दुनिया है फानी, पानी पे लिखी लिखाई. So the learned people say that this life is ephemeral, it's fleeting, it's destructible. Pani pe likhi likhai, meaning it's like writing in water. है सबकी देखी, है सबकी जानी, हाथ किसी के न आनी. Meaning everyone has seen it, everyone has experienced it, but nobody can hold it in their hands. Na tera, sorry, I have to look at it now. Kuch tera na mera. That's the key. None of this is yours or mine. Basically, there's nothing on this earthly realm that you will ever carry with you after you die. So why are you so caught up in the nitty-gritties of living? Go beyond that, elevate yourself beyond that, is what he's saying. So from Guide, in Burman Dada's voice, वहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर, जाएगा कहाँ?
वहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर, जाएगा कहाँ? दम ले ले घड़ी भर, ये छैया पाएगा कहाँ? वहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर, जाएगा कहाँ? वहाँ कौन है तेरा? गए दिन प्यार के पल छिन, सपना बनी वो रातें, भूल गए वो तू भी भूला दे, प्यार की वो मुलाकातें, प्यार की वो मुलाकातें, सब दूर अंधेरा, सब दूर अंधेरा, मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ? दम ले ले, दम ले ले, दम ले ले घड़ी भर, ये छैया पाएगा कहाँ? वहाँ कौन है तेरा?
तीसरी कसम, Shailendra Ji's foray into movie production. He was so passionate about this movie, and it was a flop. That disappointment just destroyed him and ended up, giving him a heart attack. He died. After he died, the movie attained cult status. It's the way of the world, don't you think? It's just so tragic, kills me. It was based on a short story by Praneshwar Nath Renu called Mare Gaye Gulfam. Raj Kapoor, Wahida Rahman in the lead. The story is of a simple villager. He runs a cart between villages carrying goods and people, Hiraman, and he meets Hirabai, who is this beautiful Nautanki dancer. They fall in love, but he wants to marry her, but she realizes that her background is not something that will allow him to live his life in the village with dignity and respect. So she goes away with her troop, and that's his Tisri Kasam, where he vows that he will never take Nautanki women in his cart ever again. It's very, very beautifully done, and the music is outstanding. Shankar Jaikishan's music. Shailendra Ji, of course, has written a lot of the lyrics. Hasrat Jaipuri, So you have a variety of poets writing. But this particular song, Hiraman sings this when she is in his cart and he's taking her to the village. सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है. ना हाथी है, ना घोड़ा है, वहाँ पैदल ही जाना है. So it's like, don't lie. Basically, be true. Be true to yourself and be truthful all the time. Because you ultimately have to go and meet your maker. And there are no elephants and horses to carry you there. You have to walk to that ultimate creator and his judgment. And this line, तुम्हारे महल चौबारे यही रह जाएंगे सारे. Your wealth, your house, your other material possessions are all going to be left behind here. अकड़ किस बात की प्यारे? Why are you so arrogant? अकड़ किस बात की प्यारे? ये सर फिर भी झुकाना है. You have to bow your head ultimately when you meet your maker. So good, so good. So from तीसरी कसम in Mukesh ji's voice, सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है.
सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है. न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, वहाँ पैदल ही जाना है. सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है. न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, वहाँ पैदल ही जाना है. सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो. तुम्हारे महल चौबारे यहीं रह जाएंगे सारे. तुम्हारे महल चौबारे यहीं रह जाएंगे सारे. अकड़ किस बात की प्यारे, अकड़ किस बात की प्यारे, ये सर फिर भी झुकाना है. सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है.
Shri 420. This was Raj Kapoor's movie, came out in the early 50s, enormous hit. Nargis was his leading lady in the movie. Now, the story was about all these scams that the so-called rich and respectable people actually perpetrate on the poor and the gullible. Of course, the movie was, it was a commercial hit, so definitely more commercialized and played to the main audience, but still a very well-made movie. Music, Shankar Jaikishan, Shailendra Ji, Hasrat Jaipuri. This particular song was written by Shailendra Ji, and you can see his whole upbringing, his experiences in life. And, Sahir Ludhianvi also wrote beautifully about a lot of things, but when I hear Shailendra Ji's poetry, he has talked about these various things in life through his own personal experience. He was a man who came from grinding poverty and discrimination and yet was not bitter. He spoke about the sorrows and the miseries of the downtrodden without bringing in bitterness. And that, I tell you, I admire so much in Shailendra Ji. It's a very fine quality to have in a human being, not to get bitter about your experiences. So this particular song, it's talking about, it's being sung by Raj Kapoor in the slum where he lives, and all the slum dwellers are, listening to him and having a good time. It's at night, and the rich people's mahals are right there, and they are, annoyed about this disturbance of all these low kind of people singing and having a good time. So he says, "Dil ka haal sune dil wala, seedhi si baat na mirchi masala, keh ke rahega kehne wala." So this particular person is going to talk about his heart and basically his state of mind. It's going to be very straightforward with no embellishments, but he is going to speak his mind. And there is this verse that you can tell comes from the heart for Shailendra ji. छोटे से घर में गरीब का बेटा, a man born in a very poor household. मैं भी हूँ माँ के नसीब का बेटा. I still am the lucky son for my mother. रंजो गम बचपन के साथी, meaning sorrow were my childhood friends. आंधियों में जली जीवन बाती, even through various storms and hurricanes, this life force continued to burn. भूख ने है बड़े प्यार से पाला. Hunger has nurtured me very lovingly. क्या बात है. From Shri 420 in Mannada's voice, दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला.
दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, सीधी सी बात न मिर्च मसाला, कह के रहेगा कहने वाला. दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, अज दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, सीधी सी बात न मिर्च मसाला, कह के रहेगा कहने वाला. दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला. छोटे से घर में गरीब का बेटा, मैं भी हूँ माँ के नसीब का बेटा. ओ छोटे से घर में गरीब का बेटा, मैं भी हूँ माँ के नसीब का बेटा. रंजो हम बचपन के साथी, आंधियों में जली जीवन बाती, भूख ने है बड़े प्यार से पाला. दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, सीधी सी बात न मिर्च मसाला, कह के रहेगा कहने वाला. दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला.
For the last song today, it's from Mera Naam Joker. Neeraj Saab's lyrics for this particular song. The movie was a semi sort of autobiographical movie for Raj Kapoor. It was a flop, and it really, hurt Raj Kapoor a lot that people didn't accept it the way he thought it would be accepted. He lost a lot of money, and I was pretty close to bankruptcy because of the losses of this movie. Luckily, he made Bobby next, and that was an uber hit. Music for this movie, Shankar Jaikishan, of course, Hasrat Jaipuri, Shailendra ji, Neeraj Saab, a lot of people writing lyrics for the movie. This particular song is sung by the Joker, Raju. So the story is of Raju, who plays the Joker in a circus, and he meets various women along the way, and they all end up breaking his heart. You have Simi Garewal, and this Russian acrobat cum dancer, and Padmini ji in the end. So this song, it plays several times in the movie. It is, again, a very philosophical song, mocking at times and questioning at times. Like the jester that used to be in king's courts, where they would speak unpalatable truths with humor. This song does the same. ए भाई ज़रा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर भी नहीं नीचे भी. So it says, watch where you're going, not just in the front or the back or to your left and right, ऊपर and नीचे. You have to look all around you. You have to be careful. So, I'm not going to quote the whole song, but this one verse, गिरने से डरता है क्यों, मरने से डरता है क्यों. Why are you so scared of falling or even dying? ठोकर तू जब तक न खाएगा, until you face obstacles. पास किसी गम को न जब तक बुलाएगा, until you invite sorrow, basically, is what he's saying. जिंदगी है क्या चीज़ नहीं जान पाएगा. You will not know what life really is unless you do all of these things. रोता हुआ आया है rota chala jayega. You've come crying into this world, you'll go crying also, unless you face all these things and really understand what life is all about. So in Mannada's gorgeous voice, "ए भाई जरा देख के चलो."
ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ए भाई तू जहां आया है वो तेरा घर नहीं, गली नहीं, गांव नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बस नहीं, रास्ता नहीं, दुनिया है। और प्यारे दुनिया ये सर्कस है, और सर्कस में बड़े को भी, छोटे को भी, खरे को भी, खोटे को भी, दुबले को भी, मोटे को भी, नीचे से ऊपर को, ऊपर से नीचे को आना जाना पड़ता है। और रिंग मास्टर के घोड़े पर थोड़ा जो भूख है, थोड़ा जो पैसा है, थोड़ा जो किस्मत है, तरह तरह नाच के दिखाना यहाँ पड़ता है, बार बार रोना और गाना यहाँ पड़ता है। हीरो से जोकर बन जाना पड़ता है।
That's it for today, folks. I'm done philosophizing for you. I might be back in the future with some more of these songs because there are so many very, very beautiful songs. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who haven't, please go to YouTube and subscribe and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.